This is the clamper. It used to pick up the finished blocks by this. This is the picker. It is customized according to the blocks you make and your pallet size. This is its arm. And the maximum height can be reached 3.7 meters. This trolley can be moved. It has 4 big wheels and move by the wheel. It's very easy to move. And this is the air compressor. It used to control the picker open and tighten. This is the motor. It will save much manpower. Use this to pick up the finished blocks than using manpower. It is a very good tool to pick the blocks. Behind is the clamper working video. You can check. If you want to save manpower to pick the blocks, this is a good choice. If you are interested in this, please feel free to contact us. Contact the WhatsApp number on the screen. You can call us directly or send message to us. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.